What's up, guys? Nick here with some raw day trading, and today is pretty raw. We're gonna go through how I was able to be up 500 to down 1,000 to back up to break even ish, and ending the day down 350. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of a consistent theme. I'm just getting. Maybe I'm trading too frequently in these consolidation zones. I don't know. I got to figure this out. This is, go through little phases of comically punching stuff. And, it's not fun to, lose that much money, especially after being up. But this has to be looked at. So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna fucking do it. All right. Let's get down to business. Actually, let's put it on this side. All right. Yeah. Today it was draining. Not gonna lie. The wildfires are, everyone's kind of just bummed out over here in LA. And that is it's not fun. It's just not a fun environment right now. LA, as I say, is no longer LA. Yeah. But let me adjust the Twitch. No, I don't want to adjust the Twitch. There we go. That's an adjust. All right, so you have, what do I have on here? Focus on one name. I did that okay today. That was one of my goals. Not trying new things. Back off breakouts. I might not have done that so well, but I think I did okay. See, the problem is I try to get it on the curls, and I just lost a lot of money on the curls. I had two stocks out of the open here. We're going to check the open real quick. And I make $500 instantly. It's really nice. Great read out of the open here on DTIL. And I am able to make 522, one trade. Okay, cool. Sort of emboldened. I then wait here. I'm waiting. I'm pretty patient. Missing XHG, but I'm like, all right, I think this DTIL is DTF. If you know what I mean. I think it's down to go. And then there's a bunch of stuff going. I'm staying focused, super zoned in. Get a great fill there. It's popping up. Really, really nice potential trade here. I'm wanting to break. I should have been cutting here in retrospect, although I was waiting, however unlikely, for it to go pop up even higher. And I think it does. Yeah, it pops higher, but the only pops higher on the chart. And that was one of the problems, is there was no actual liquidity to get out where I wanted to. It didn't really show. Oh, no, wait, it showed right there. Okay. It's just the spread never tightened. But I still had an opportunity to get out for 20 cents. I kept holding, looking for a reclaim of this level, which was a little bit aggressive. I ended up taking a loss on this trade. I'm up, at this point, $800. Look at that. $800, $900. Oh, man, retrospect is a bitch. And then I take a loss on that position of 10 cents. And then it bounces back up. Okay. C'est la vie. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. Anyways, that was pretty much the start of the day. From there, I do some XHG nonsense, lose some money on there, but I get back up to 600. CGBS, this is the stock that vexed me yesterday on the spreads and the fake outs, and it's just in order to trade, and I even traded smaller on it today. Okay, so I'm in, and then the spread just opens up, and I'm just like, ah. But it's not a great position to be in. I'm able to get out here. I think nope. I'm a little slow on that exit. The big seller comes in. All right, so seller's just pinning it down. Whatever. And sorry, I just ate a bunch of food and I'm a little bit, yeah. All right. So I ignore that. I'm like, I gotta back off this CGBS. No, actually, I don't back off the CGBS. I make the same mistake over and over and over and over and over again because it keeps looking kind of almost good. Whatever. It does eventually go. I do eventually lose money on the way up. Look, I'm in at 102 and it's at 103. I switched the chart, or I switched the chart in the level 2 to the other side, where it's off screen. But this is it right here. Okay, lame. That's all I got for you. Just lame. And then Hoth starts moving. I get a little aggressive on Hoth. I don't end up losing any money really. I lose $60 on it. It's whatever. But it's just one of those situations where I just wasn't. There wasn't a whole bunch going on, or I wasn't focused where the action was, and there wasn't enough volume outside of the main names. Which, to be fair, weren't a lot of main names, at least early in the day, for me to focus on. And then I go from up realized 600 to now down 100, and I'm like, oh, it's fine. This is a little volatility. I'll make it back. And kind of true, kind of might happen here, but gosh, it's just so frustrating. Down 374 on CGBS. And I was down 5 or 6 or 1,000 on it yesterday. Or no, I was down 1,000 on a different one. But I don't know. I guess just these numbers are bigger than I'm used to, and I'm in a little bit of a rhythm where I'm not trading well. Oh, and then I make it back to $400. How do I do that? I don't even realize that. Okay, let's figure this out. Where do I make it back? CGBS. Okay, I make back $200 on CGBS. Breaks up to 115. Cool. What else? There's something else. I think I make some. I make some on VRME. All right, so I make some money on CGBS, or I recoup some money on CGBS. DATS is going. I missed DATS. DATS was just a silly stock that I didn't trade the other day. That was like a continuation name. I was a little bit hesitant on it. Okay, fine. It's just difficult day. And now I'm above. Fees are a little bit expensive at this point. Especially after trading CGBS, is really down 200 on it because of all the fees. But I'm not trading that anymore, and I'm basically flat on the day. Trying to get back up. I don't know. What do my notes say? 10:45. Let's go here. CGBS. There's a sign named GRYP, which I could have had a longer position on, and it did end up doing what I thought it would do. It's just I didn't take it as seriously, and I was trying to scalp it. Dumb move, especially for this market right now. Don't recommend that channel. Yeah, I don't know. CGBS is not. Trying to find what I trade. VMAR. Not sure what I'm making here. I might have to have my P&L put onto. Oh man, it's just a frustrating day. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. 10:30, DATS move. Like throw up all this food I eat. Just... Okay, so I'm in, I'm out. Take an L. Huh. Yep. And then it goes, okay. That was one of the things to look at. GLXP study minus 500. Oh, and then this was the main name of the day. This was what, all right, this GLXG got me. Yeah, I really have to have on my screen what's going on. GLXG, where do I start trading at? I guess I don't know. I traded before a little bit, but this is just, yeah, not a great position to be in. Spread's a little wide. Now I'm down to red on the day. Jump back in though. That's not the right move. I'm still trying to take this for a breakout. Not really the right move. The spreads are 5 cents, which are pretty decently big on this. Especially with the, I don't know, normally $1.60 stocks are like a penny spread. But, you know, c'est la vie. And then it's just creeping lower. Let's see what else that happens here. Gonna take another loss. It's the red. I mean, I'm fighting, honestly, I am fighting this red volume here. So I thought there would be so much excitement, it would just get overcome. I was wrong. Don't fight Contra. Plays with volume in this market. All right, and then there's going to be the last time here. I'm betting that, you know, this candle is going to get overturned, and now I'm down $340, which is probably closer to $400, $425, and that irritates me because I was up about the same amount, $425 after fees. I keep trying for the turnaround, and I keep spending money on it. Paying attention to the chart would have saved me a lot of money here, a lot of money. And then adding insult to injury, I kind of keep. I'm patient here. Patient here. I'm patient. I'm patient. I'm patient. This is a great candle here. This last 1 minute candle with the volume. I mean, I could have taken that. It's a little bit slow. I was looking at it. I take it now. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I get filled at 53. It pops above to 55 for a second. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold it. Well, let's see what happens here. I get out. Okay, not gonna hold it for too long. And it's pretty loose. It goes back down below my entry, and then I'm back in, and I get a winner for a second. I think I'm gonna get a nice, 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 nice. And popping up, but it's hesitating, it's stalling. What's gonna happen here? Like, come on, go, 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 go. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go to 60? No, it's hesitating, so I get out. Oh, make a little bit of money back. Oh boy, oh boy. Then I jump back in. That's an interesting move. And I jump back out. Not too much of a loss, but yeah, it's just a little bit of a messy day. I shouldn't have really been trading that. There was a little bit of a setup here. The volume, the bottoming tail-ish thing. Maybe I could have traded it a little bit more intelligently. But this volume doesn't look great, and I was fighting against it. Okay, and then I fight against it more. And I fight mostly here, so I'm back down 500. And then back up here, I'm down 600. It's down 700, and it's still going up. And it's just like this action, I guess, is just so stop and go. I'm having trouble reading and predicting it. So eventually I just kind of give up on it after I'm down like $700-800. And then it goes kind of when I give up on it. And then this is when it actually goes, and I don't do a great job at capitalizing on it. So disappointed in myself. So this is when it's actually starting to go. It's just a thin name. It's less than 1 million shares of volume a minute. It's the market makers are in control. They got the ball in their park. Everything I do gets like moved around a couple cents beyond where I get in, and it's made to look so untrustworthy, even though it's probably a decent setup. And then I just got scarred from already taking so many losses. I'm just like, I just can't handle it. I just don't want to handle another 10-cent loss. And then taking a breakout at the highs out of consolidation. I'm being super cautious, waiting for it really to confirm. But by the time it's confirming here, it's kind of just going. It's kind of just like, okay, it's up there. So now I'm chasing. And and it's the chase got rewarded a little bit, but it doesn't make up for the loss. It makes up for maybe a third of it. No, it makes up for a sixth of it, really. And then I chase it up here. Okay, gotta cut it. Yeah. Then it makes a new micro high and then just pulls back, and that kind of finishes the run there. I stayed focused on this one, thinking it'd be the one. Oh, no, wait. Never mind. I take that back. So it keeps going. Okay. I thought it finished there out of the corner. I mean, out of my memory. Keeps going. I get in. I make a little bit more money. Jumping in and out, kind of churning a little bit here, but not too bad. It's just very not fluid action. Pretty patient at this point. Pretty patient. I get out a little bit early there, to be honest. I could have held it to the 2. Gun shy, and then now I'm like, okay, how do I get back in? That is one good thing that I was doing. I was sticking with it. And that was part of my thing. Now I'm looking to get, but it's already went so high. Back down. Is it going to hold? Okay, so now I get in 98. Decent fill. Bids dropped to 93 there for a second. Popped above. 05 left. 3. 04. 05. 3. Okay, I take it out at 03. Now I'm down to only minus 350, probably minus 425 after fees. Not bad after being down 900 after fees. But this does mark the end of the stock for all intents and purposes. Down 500 after that fail. Okay, F that stock. I was down 550. GRYP, this is the one I lost 100 on, and then I make money back here. I make money back in this part as it pops up, and then I lose it as it grinds. Actually, maybe I make some, I don't know. I forgot exactly what happened here. Yeah. Anyways, I finished that part of the day down around 450. Let's see here if there's anything in this video. Just a little bit out of tune. Not gonna lie, a little bit out of sync. This one I'm only down 4. Okay, I'm actually gonna delete that. And then SPI. I don't have the beginning of the move on camera, and I'm here trying for, I'm basically negative on the name, but only small. And I ended up going positive on it, but only by $100, and after probably about $50 in fees. And yeah, and then it goes. I got sandbagged. Sandbagged myself today, basically. Don't fight volume. Don't fight volume. It's my only takeaway from today. Don't fight the volume. I would have been up a lot. Don't jump in and out. Don't jump in and out. Don't fight volume, don't jump in and out. Those are my two. Not really positive takes, but that's all I got for the day. It was a rough week. I think I'm down about after today, so down 350. 4, 5. I don't know, 556. I don't have the exact numbers up. I'm not trying to track numbers that closely, but okay. It's just annoying, and annoying is all right. Anyways, peace out, guys. Nice talking to you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Day trading is risky. This is not investment advice. I don't recommend day trading at all. This is just a log, a track of what I'm doing, how I'm thinking through stuff, just for those of you who are interested and for myself in the future. Anyways, peace out. Be safe. If you're in LA especially, stay alert. And love you guys. Bye.